Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She baked the cake before the guests arrived. We are planning a trip to the mountains next month. He washes his car every weekend. They won the game last night. I swim in the pool every morning. The baby learned to walk recently. She reads a story to her children every night. We were eating dinner when the phone rang. He completed the assignment on time. They went on vacation last summer. I try to visit my grandparents every month. She performed very well in the competition. The flowers bloom in the spring. He forgot his keys in the car last week. We watched a great movie yesterday. She finishes her homework before dinner every day. The cat sleeps on the sofa all day. They worked very hard on the project. I got a new bike for my birthday. The sun rises at 6 a.m. every day.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.